What would you do if this happened right in front of you? Like, not in a movie, but in real life, at your dinner table with someone you love? It's one of those things that you never really think about until it's happening. Your partner, your child, a friend, a colleague, they can't breathe. They're panicking. And just like that, everything changes. You just need to know one thing: the Heimlich Maneuver, a simple skill that could save a life. And once you learn it, you don't forget it. Keep in mind, this course is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not intended to provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare professional with any questions that you might have regarding a medical condition. Hi, I'm Sherrina Hansen. I have my BS degree in business, and I am certified through the APC in medical coding, auditing, compliance, and as an instructor. And I've been in healthcare and adult education for over 20 years. And I've seen this again and again: how powerful it is when someone knows what to do in a crisis. That's exactly what I'm here to teach you. In this series, you're going to learn how to spot the signs of choking and exactly what to do next for adults, for children, for pregnant women, and yeah, even if you're alone and it happens to you. The steps are not complicated, but they do matter because when something goes wrong and time is running out, the right move could be everything. You probably hope that you'll never need this. I hope so too. But if that moment ever comes, this knowledge could mean the difference between panic and saving a life. So stick around, learn the skill, and be the person who's ready, just in case.